Junjun. You know what Junjun means?
What?
Filipino slang. It means your male genitalia. Junjun.
Really?
They're singing this to Abra. He is in his Super Saiyan mode right now. You know when Goku turned Super Saiyan,
Oh.
his hair became blonde.
Leather everywhere.
In a summer heat.
Pablo is in leather too.
You know what that is? Sweaty ball sack.
What?
He said support, uncircumcised. Someone who is lapok is labeled as support as well. I don't like it.
Why?
He did a lot of things that I don't like. He said a lot of things that I don't agree with. A lot of Filipino humor, a lot of Filipino working class neighborhood stuff happening.
Kamusta po kayo? Ko po si Chachi.
Ako naman si JC, ang kanyang nobyo.
And welcome to a Humble Adobo! Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna have JC watch SB19's new music video called Dunka.
Dunka?
Oh.
That's a new music video. When
Yeah.
did release?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Mm-hmm.
1.9 million views in 2 days.
In
Wow.
2 days. Yep.
They're making a lot of paper.
A lot of pera.
A lot of pera.
They said that it's Filipino coded, so you're gonna be watching this from the Filipino perspective. I'm gonna be the foreigner perspective, and yeah, hopefully we can enjoy the video together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dunka it means go there, or that's where you belong.
Over there.
Over there, yeah.
Wonder who cut off the electricity.
Oh, Ghost Wrecker,
Too easy.
a blogger, more on like an interviewing podcast.
You see what he's eating there?
What's that? Crab?
Uh huh.
Talangka. Yeah,
What's he eating?
crab.
Uh
Crab mentality.
huh. Yeah. Man, he's making me hungry though.
Oh yeah, wow, that's a Zumba right there.
Zumba, yeah. Like that's their mom.
Eat messy.
Yeah.
There's a
The famous-
sorbetero.
The famous ice cream. The one with the avocado and the mango.
The sorbetero.
But it's, how do you say ice cream?
Sorbetes.
And that's in Spanish is straw.
Straw.
Mm.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Why is he walking around with the crab? Everyone's running away from him. Who's that?
That one?
Oh.
That's Marquian style. Junjun. Junjun. You know what Junjun means?
What?
Filipino slang. It means your male genitalia. Junjun.
Really?
Tayo. Junjun. Tayo means standing up. Junjun tayo. They got some naughty stuff
Man,
here. Tayuman is a place in Manila. Tayo is like standing up. Junjun is
Male genital.
yeah.
So he's Juan Junjun.
One Junjun. Yeah.
As a foreigner, we wouldn't get that. We wouldn't get those references. So yes, you need to watch this. You need to.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You know what they're doing? Jumper.
They're stealing electricity.
It happens to some areas in Philippines. They connect illegally.
They do that in DR too.
It causes fire. Huli ka balbon is a Filipino expression like gotcha. In basketball, when they say huli ka balbon, they block your shot. Huli ka balbon, or they steal the ball from you. That's a typical working class Filipino village. The basketball court is right there. The sari-sari store is like there, right?
And then Mr. Junjun is all over.
It's campaign season because May 12th is the election. That's why
It's all over. He's campaigning.
campaigning as well. I feel like they're singing this to Abra.
Well, let's see. Well, not just Abra, because it was more than just Abra that dissed them. There were
Yeah.
others as well that dissed them. So I think
Okay.
it's for all of those people.
He is in his Super Saiyan mode right now. You know when Goku turned Super Saiyan,
Oh,
his hair became blonde, and
Uh-huh.
then his
so he's in Super Saiyan mode.
Philippe. I'm not feeling the leopard print.
Well, it's okay if you're not feeling it. We don't need you to feel it. We're feeling it enough for those who aren't feeling it. Okay? Who's this?
Is it Ken?
Ken is Philippe. Ken is Philippe. It's just like he goes by
Josh.
Ken.
No,
That's not Josh.
I don't know him.
That's Justin.
Justin, the Korean-looking guy.
Oh. They're watching.
Manny
Is that Pacquiao?
That's how it is before.
They're watching the fight.
Oh, that's how it
Boxing.
is before when Manny Pacquiao is fighting. Everybody's watching. Oh, Malupitan in the house. Malupitan in the house.
That's his favorite comedian on TikTok.
Oh, that's his crew right there.
Mm.
That's one of his friends.
Who's this?
Pablo.
Ah.
Room for rent. Bed space. Typical.
What's this? Bet Sip Sip Puso Negro.
In septic.
Poso.
Poso Negro is the septic tank. So sip sip is like to suck it, like to drain it.
So what are there? If you want your septic tank drained, call that number.
Yeah, they're gonna do that service. Another term for sip sip is like trying to get the approval of someone or their boss. It's like kissing A in workplace term.
So people are trying to suck up to them.
I don't know. Like Ambet Sip Sip Poso Negro. So I don't know. He's like he's a shit. I don't know.
The hater, the bashers.
I don't know. What's Abra's name?
Oh, that's their moms. That's SB19 moms.
Nice.
Their moms there.
But I do that like Palo is like with my nieces. Like who wants? And they thought I'm gonna bring them to like to get milk tea.
Or something.
It's like me. Who wants Palo?
Not me.
Yeah. The hanger, it can easily be broken, but if it is used as something to hit you with, it hurts. It doesn't broke. It lasts long. I wonder if someone is sponsoring or getting them as a indoor. No, bench.
They have a lot of endorses, not just bench.
The tight leopard print.
What do you have to say about my bias? Leave him alone with his leopard clothes, okay? Rawr.
Easy.
Leather everywhere.
In a summer heat.
Pablo is in leather too.
You know what that is? Sweaty ball sack. In a humidity that we have right now,
Yeah, it's really humid.
that's a sweaty bee sax. Oh, they have Sabong. Wait. That's Shay and that's Muglass.
Who are they?
Battle rapper. They're known flip toppers
Mm.
about a couple of years ago. One of the most viewed battle rap. Actually, they battle rap or they face Abra. I'm not sure. I think they defeated him.
And look, they have him here in the video.
Yeah.
Sa kaliwa, mag-ingay tayo lahat para sa SB. Ano naman? Wag na yan! Kaibigan! Kain ka naman natin ngayon, 1 minuto para sa SB!
That's how it is. Lapuk. Lapuk is kupal.
Kupal is
D cheese.
D
Sci-
cheese.
scientifically,
Scientifically.
it's a thing that caught up in, or that you can get from an uncircumcised male genitalia. But if someone says, "Oh, that guy's kupal," it means that nobody gets along with them, or like everyone is pissed off. Everyone doesn't like that guy.
Mm.
Kupal, like it's not
So,
something that you wanna be labeled
so
as.
when you want to
as
say kupal, you
as
say lapu? As a
Lapuk
hidden
is
way?
not anymore. It's like you know how Filipino is. They read things in reverse, or they spell things in reverse to hide it. That's how it is with Filipino. They like to do that as a street slang.
That's like when people say Lodi for
Lodi,
idol.
idol, yeah.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Mm.
Oompa Loompa.
Lapuk ka. He said that. Lapuk ka. So, supot pa.
What?
He said supot, uncircumcised.
He's saying that. That's why
Lapuk,
they're laughing. He's telling him he's uncircumcised.
yeah.
Unfiltered SB19 2025.
Well, someone who is lapok is labeled as supot as well.
Okay. Good to know. Artista. That's a gamer.
That's a known gamer, Alodia. I don't know her.
She's a vlogger. Mini something. Damn, that looks like he
What's her name?
slapped the life out of him.
Playing basketball in an afternoon on a leather tight pants
The Philippines.
in the Philippines.
That's how good he is.
That's a sweaty, sticky B-sex right there.
Just ignoring him. They're just ignoring him.
Yeah, Junjun Tayuman. Junjun Tayuman. Erected. Probably they are trying to call out the politicians that did or said something to them. Maybe.
Maybe. Like shaking hands with everyone. And they just left him. And they blocked his way too because they left the drum set and everything there.
He got mad because he didn't get the attention. That's another trait of a kupal. They get mad if they don't get the attention. Actress. I think former PBB and then model as well.
Who's that?
I think that's Mimi something.
No. Mimi something is the other vlog I showed you, the first one. Well,
That's her. Before his hair looks like the girl from The Incredibles, that the one that makes their costume. He used to do like skirt. Mimi, yeah, he used to do that.
skirt.
Yeah, skirt.
Who's the one in red? Who's
Hmm?
that one?
This one?
Yeah.
That's Josh.
Josh?
Josh, yeah, short king.
Yeah. God.
Who that?
That's Stell. Imposter.
Nice ganda.
Oh, guys, ganda eh, from Showtime. What?
I don't like.
What?
He did a lot of things that I don't like. He said a lot of things that I don't like.
You don't agree with?
I don't agree with. And then he has his own noontime show. Sometimes he would like embarrass like the contestant, nothing to do with her sexuality, but I don't like her. I think someone already voiced out he did before that he would do things that are not nice. I'm pretty sure there's a good number of Filipinos that it's not fun of.
Fond of her.
It means tumabi ka dyan. It's another term to like stop with what you're doing. You know, go to the side. We're not here to entertain what you're doing. Go to the side. Tumabi ka nga dyan. It's like when someone is doing something that you don't like, hey, you, tumabi ka nga dyan. I like the jerseys, throwback. I saw some Bulls, some Sonic. This one right here is like a working class neighborhood. People in sari-sari store hanging out. Normally, after you play basketball, you hang out there. When you win some money, you drink your soft drinks, you eat your merienda. That's how it is with Filipino. And then the other thing is, you see the basketball court in the road, like
the
playing basketball. Every time that there's a car, that's a timeout.
then you have to move the
You have to stop playing.
See the fire? Earlier you said that it catches fire.
It causes fire. Like when they do jumper, it causes fire.
Look, there's a fire on the jumper here at the bottom.
Yeah.
And then they have the fire here at the top and all the wires. And then the house is catching fire too.
Mm-hmm. Malupiton.
The names. Okay, it's done. It's done.
I like the video. I like the song. It's catchy. It's funny. There's a like humor to it.
A lot of Filipino humor.
A lot of Filipino humor. A lot of Filipino working class neighborhood stuff happening. The karaoke, the drinking, and the
yeah, where you said drinking a sari-sari. That's what he was doing with Malupitan.
Yeah.
The bottles that were there on the table.
Drinking in a sari-sari store, you know, hanging out with your fighting cock right there.
Mate.
Yeah, like you're doing it, like, yeah, and then basketball in the street. I like everything, but I was surprised when I saw Vice Ganda. That's the only thing that I don't like. Again, I'm not hating on him because of his sexuality. I just don't like him as a individual because of the things that he did, he said. You know that. People knows that. This is my opinion. I like it. I like the video. I like the video. Very Filipino. Very working class Filipino. I like the humor behind it. It's like
Palo.
It's like they're like the one that the one that says something. They're probably there's something behind about that politician.
The politician, probably.
I like it. I like everything with it. It's catchy. Dunka. Yeah, that's how you deal with coops. Another term with lapuk, coops. Yeah, KUPS. Coops. So the way you deal with them is like dunka. It's like go over there. We don't care about you.
Dunka! Thank you so much for watching this with us, and we'll see you again on another episode.
Like, share, comment, follow, make the right video reactor famous. Don't skip the ads.
Give them a heart. Like this. Or like this.
My hand is too small.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.